Hey guys, it's Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with a character sticker declutter. So basically I have too many character stickers. This is a lot of character stickers. You may notice this is not the last way that I showed you guys that I was organizing my character stickers, but I recently changed my organization after a lot of trial and error and thought and talking to friends, and this is kind of where I'm at. I just love it and it works out really well for me. It weighs like 100 pounds, and basically this is a organizer from the Container Store, and I just went ahead and I had Kirsten cut me because I hate silhouettes, cut me these little tabs. This is basically how we store a lot of stickers in shop. And then I just scaled down the labels that are in shop, as well as scaled down the ones that I made for myself personally. So yeah, it's a lot. There's a lot of stickers here, but I'm gonna go through them and we are going to declutter, because basically I have no room and I have stickers that need to go in here. And then also I am releasing doodle stickers that I want to put in here as well. And it's funny because this is not all of my characters, because I also have a seasonal, a Christmas binder, and a Halloween binder. But basically some of these have got to go. Obviously I love all of these shops. It's nothing against the shops. I'm just cutting back a little, and yeah, so let's go ahead and declutter. This is now voiceover Andrea, and I'm currently doing this voiceover in my bedroom underneath a blanket with hopes that it dampens the sound a little bit, but you guys will have to let me know in the comments down below. I'm also going to try doing a voiceover in our movie room, because that is a carpeted room, so we can try those and see which works the best until my office is fully set up and has a little bit more of a sound dampening. Unfortunately, the new release videos will, because I do them live, will have to be in that room, but maybe for my plan with me's, because I really want to start getting back into those, I can do voiceovers like this. I actually ordered an extra mic to be able to kind of easily maneuver around wherever I need to go. I use a mic that's actually really affordable from Amazon that I'll link down below. But basically I'm going through my character stickers and decluttering. I love all of these stickers, that's why I purchased them, but some of them I just haven't found myself using, or I have a sticker that I probably would use in its place, or sometimes they're just too large for my planning style. So I just went through every single category and kind of just, looked and see if I haven't used any from the sheet, I've had it for a long time, I probably won't use it. If there's any that I could give to friends, or if there's any that, the only thing is my computer's probably going to be we're overheating in here. But yeah, I just went through and decided what I wanted to keep, and if there was something I can foresee myself in the future using the sticker for, or if it's something that I don't normally mark. Some of the stickers I also decided to declutter, because I feel like the color palette doesn't really go with a lot of the kits that I use, and I have a sticker that's a little bit more neutral. So again, nothing against the shop or the sticker sheet. Obviously I love it because I purchased it, but I am going to be doing a giveaway of all of the stickers that I am decluttering. I'm going to split it into 2 parts and do 2 giveaway winners. So I'll talk more about that at the end on non-voiceover Andrea. So this was a really fun process. I actually did talk through it, and it was over an hour long. So I was like, that's just too much for a declutter video. I was just talking about all kinds of different stuff, like tattoos and birthday stuff, Disney stuff, and all kinds of different things, just as I went through the different categories. But I actually have been loving this setup for my character stickers. I feel like it's really easy to pull them out, and it's funny because Kittenish Jess puts her stickers in a an accordion binder, which I remember using accordion binders way back. I feel like that's what everyone used for character stickers, and even just regular stickers, and I had a million of them, and we still use them at work for order packing. And I'd always be like, when are you going to join the dark side and put your stickers in a binder? And she was like, never. But then I ended up doing something very similar to an accordion, but just on a larger scale. And I do think it works really, really nice for character stickers. I also think that this would work really well for foiled scripts. You could either do them in categories like I have here, or you could do them in ABC order, which would kind of be nice, and have them a different tab per letter. So I think those would be two different ways you could also utilize this type of organization for your planner items. Also, I showed this to Kirsten and Jessica, and they were really excited about it. And Jessica, I think, might have already done hers, and she did purchase, which we have them at work. They are from the Like It system. This is like one of the smaller ones. I'll link both this one and then the one that I got, also similar to Jessica, down below. But we use them at work for kits, and Jessica bought one to put all of her kits in because she doesn't organize her kits in a binder. She organizes them in a pile, which is just beyond me, but it's okay. But I actually got two of them, the shorter ones, well, I guess the less deep ones, to organize my my kits that I don't have a spot for, along with my foil bundles, so that I can organize them, because I feel like no matter what album you use them with, they constantly just kind of get full and overflow. So I do kind of want to do a office tour, a kind of like you know, a just moved in office tour. It's nothing fancy, but I feel like, especially my desk setup, if you film Play With Me's, but even if you don't, I feel like it's a really good desk setup for a planner person. And I don't know if I've seen anybody do this exact way before. I'm gonna say I never have, because I took an IKEA desk and kind of like hacked it. I went through about 50 different configurations and ideas for different desks that I wanted to do, and had a lot of consults with a lot of my friends as to what they thought, and just kind of like wanted to find the perfect solution for me. And I feel like I have. Okay, I don't know where that cut me off, but Nick FaceTimed me, so it like stopped recording. But anyways, I want to do a kind of just a really preliminary, like moved in office tour, and then later on I will do a more in-depth one. So let me know if that's something that you guys would be interested in seeing in the comments down below. Otherwise, I will put some music on and see through the rest of this declutter.
Finally don't get no fuss, finally be riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a while. Haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me.
We'll see if that happens. So basically, let me zoom you guys out a little bit. You guys saw how like tight that was before. I feel like that's a really nice declutter. It's not like decluttering, you know, a ton. I like being able to kind of like lean it back a little, and then whenever I am doing like planning and I'm like, all right, I need a grocery sticker, I'll just go like this, stick my ruler in, and then I can go, okay, what grocery sticker do I use? And I can just put it back, take my ruler out, put it in the next category, or put it in the front. So that's kind of what I like to do. I'll put those in there too. That's just a little freebie. And then it's really nice because whenever I'm putting my stickers away, I can go, okay, Rise and Shine, that goes to Sleep, which is here, so I'll just stick that in. Generally unwell, that's also a negative emotion. Well, so negative emotions, which emotions negative, there is the kind of like unwell and then angry section. So we're gonna put those in the right spot. And then we have this one, which is games. I don't do like VR stuff, but Nick does, and maybe one day like there'll be something that'll interest me. And then poop, I'd probably put in maybe like doctor or maybe negative emotion, because I feel like if I mark something poop related, it would probably be like in a sick like kind of way, like had trouble pooping. And then generally unwell, we'll put that under kind of just the sad one, right? Yeah. Then over here, I have 2 freebies, so I'll put those into my little freebie book. So I have a picnic, which would go into outdoor. You can have a picnic inside if you wanted to, but if I had a picnic, it'd be outside. And then this one I'll put into computer. It's like so much easier than flipping around in my like big old binder. And then this one would be cooking. I put cooking and baking together. I could totally do like a subcategory. Whenever I do subcategories in here, it will be, where's the emotion negative? It will just be like the same tab, but without a tab. So it's like broken up, but not really. And then this one would be under Happy Meal because it's a meal. So that was super easy to put those away. I'll probably do seasonal ones in another video if you guys like it. Obviously this video is like an hour, so I don't want to make it even longer. And then as for these stickers, I'll just kind of like mix them up so that you're not getting like A through N category. I'll just like kind of randomly mix them, but I will do 2 giveaway winners. Like I said, I'll like kind of mix them up a little bit better, and just leave a comment down below. What category do you have the most stickers of based on your categories, if you organize your character stickers that way? Or like what icon do you have the most of? Like what's your most used like functional character sticker? Let me know in the comments down below, and I will pick 2 winners for that. So I hope you guys like this video, and I will talk to you guys in my next one.